Good morning, students. Today in our video we learn how to simplify the numerical expression. What is simplification? Simplification means in the numerical expression there can be different mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in order to solve this numerical expression, we need to perform all these operations. Finding answers of a numerical expression is called simplification. So to simplify different a numerical expression having different operations, we use an order. That order of simplification we in short form we called board mass. This is board mass. B stands for bracket. Next of means multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order of solving such numerical expression which involves different mathematical operation. First one, B, bracket. Bracket also there are many types of brackets, and the order of performing such a bracket also different. First bracket we want to solve is line bracket. It is also called a vingulum line bracket. Then we solve what is given inside the round bracket, or it is also called a small bracket or round bracket. Next we give preference to curly bracket, and last we solve inside the square bracket. So this is the order of performing operations which involves different types of brackets. Then of means multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order of solving operations. So using this order we are going to simplify numerical expressions relating to integers. Now we solve question. Our fourth question, simplify the following. First one, negative 150 plus then square bracket, then again curly bracket, negative 24 minus 50 divided by round bracket, negative 10 plus 16 into 2 minus 17, then curly bracket, then 120 plus 120, then square bracket close. So this is the simplification question. As we know that we solve bracket first, and in the bracket itself here four different three brackets are given, square bracket, curly bracket and round bracket. So first according to the order, first we solve line bracket, but here there is no line bracket, therefore we solve in what is written inside the square bracket first. Inside the square bracket also there is addition, multiplication and subtraction, therefore we solve first multiplication according to the order. So negative 150 plus bracket, curly bracket, negative 24 minus 50 divided by then round bracket, here negative 10 plus 16 2s are 32 minus 17, then round bracket close, curly bracket close, then 120, square bracket also close. The next step, negative 150. So first step we have solved this one, and the second step again a round bracket, inside that addition and subtraction. So we solve addition first, curly bracket, negative 24 minus 50 divided by this 5. We solve this, we can solve together, no problem. Addition and subtraction both we can solve. Here negative 10 plus 32, one is negative, another is positive, we subtract. So 22 minus 17, 22 minus 17, when we solve we get negative 5. So we solve like this. This answer we get 5, then plus 120 bracket close. Now inside the curly bracket it is there, curly bracket and then square bracket, two brackets. So again we solve next. Negative 150 plus square bracket and curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, division and subtraction both are there, so we divide first. Negative 24 minus 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10, minus 10, then curly bracket, then plus 120, then again negative 150 plus square bracket and curly bracket is there. Inside the square bracket we solve. Square bracket, negative 24 plus minus 10, so it will be negative 24 plus minus 10 plus 120. Why? Subtraction means addition with the additive inverse. Additive is this subtraction symbol. So in order to subtract, we change to addition, and the additive inverse of 10 is negative 10. Therefore, it will be negative 150 plus both negative. If we add, we get 34. Now there is no need of this bracket because already we got the answer, negative 34 plus 120. Then here negative 150 plus inside this one negative number, another is a positive number. Therefore we subtract again 86. We get 86, positive 86. Now this bracket all solved, and now 150, negative 150 plus 86. One is negative, another is positive. Again we subtract, then we get negative 64. So in this way we solve the bracket first, and inside the bracket also different types of brackets are there. According to their order we solve, and then finally we simplified that numerical expression which involves different operations. Then question B. Here also 18 plus square bracket, then inside the square bracket there is addition and off, then again curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket many functions are there, as division is there and addition is there, and then bracket, again line bracket is there. So all these we solve according to their order. First we write is equal to 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 off. 3 off means it is multiplication, that we write last only, and inside this curly bracket here it is division. That division we solve because it will not affect this part. Therefore 51 divided by 3, then it is equal to negative 17 plus 62 minus, then here this bracket that we solve first, 5 5s are 25, negative 25. Curly bracket again close, round bracket. Then that is equal to 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket there is addition and subtraction both. So negative 17 plus 62. One is negative and another is a positive. So what we do is that we can rewrite this negative 17 plus 62. Here negative and negative, that changes to positive 25. And again 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of, inside the curly bracket this we can solve 62 and 75, that addition is equal to 87, 87 positive 87 and then minus 17. that we solve negative 17 plus 87, then 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of here 17, negative 17 and 87, then it is equal to 70. Then 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of 17 is equal to 210. That is equal to 18 plus negative 15 and 210. One is negative, another is positive. We subtract positive 195. And bracket is already solved. Then 18 plus 195 is equal to 230. 230. So here A and B already solved, and C and D, question C and D, that is a homework for you. Now we will solve fifth question. Check whether the simplification of expression is correct. Here one expression is given and its answer also given. We want to check that whether this simplification is correct or not. If not correct, then we want to write the correct answer. So by solving only we can understand that whether these expressions are right or wrong. So first question, 130 plus 5 into negative 6 plus 75 minus curly bracket 50 into 2 minus 40 divided by 5, and its answer is given. It is equal to negative 280. Whether it is right or wrong, this we can identify only after solving this expression. If we get negative 280, then we say it is yes, otherwise it is a no. Therefore we solve this. So we are going to solve this. First is equal to negative 130 plus 5 into negative 6, that we can solve separately. Negative 30 plus 75 minus curly bracket 550 into 2 is equal to 100 minus 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So here is equal to 130 plus 30, that we can solve plus into minus. Here we solve together. 130 plus minus 30 is equal to 100. 100 plus 75 is equal to 175. So if we solve together, one more step we can avoid. 175 minus, inside the curly bracket, 100 minus 8 is equal to 92. 175 minus 92 is equal to 83. So here we got, after simplification, we got 83 as the answer, but given answer is negative 280. So it is incorrect. No. Correct answer is is 83, and solution is already we have solved, so no need to write the solution again. This given expression, that means the answer here, answer in the expression, it is given negative 280, but this is not the correct answer, correct expression. The correct solution is this one, already we have solved, it is 83. And in this, one more question is remaining. That question is a homework for you. So dear students, today we stop from here, and our first chapter also finished. Next day we will start our next chapter. So you complete all the works of the first chapter today itself. Okay, thank you everybody.